Hello, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer file or picture from your phone onto your PC using Bluetooth device. So to start, first you need to see to it that both PC and phone Bluetooth device is enabled. So to watch how you can enable Bluetooth device on both phone and PC. On the top right corner, click on the link. Watch how you can enable Bluetooth on both phone and PC. After see through that the phone and PC is paired together, then you go to the phone folder. Here you'll find images, videos, audio, download file. Then you select the one that you want to send through your phone to the PC. This on my phone, I have a picture, that is the YouTube picture. So to send this picture to my PC, click on it. After that, I right click. Under the image, you'll find Share tab. You click on Share tab, then you choose Bluetooth. So to choose the Bluetooth, first you need to open the Bluetooth device on your phone by clicking on the Bluetooth device on the taskbar, Bluetooth device icon on the taskbar, the right corner of your screen, and you open the Bluetooth device. So after that, you click on Shared Bluetooth. You select the PC that you want to send the file to. After selecting it, you receive an incoming chat from your phone, then you accept it. Then on your phone, it will notify you that the file has been sent successfully, so that you can open it and go to that. You go to this PC, then you go to document, and you'll find file that you send through your phone onto your PC. Then you click on it. So this is the file that I send it. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon. Thank you.